It has never been less affordable to buy a home in the Triangle. The home affordability index dropped to a 71. That means the typical family only earns 71% of the income needed to buy a typical home. Right now, the median sales price here is $416,000. WRAL's Matt Talhelm is live in Cary to explain what's causing the cost of owning a home to be out of reach for so many people. Matt?
Yeah, Deborah, a year ago, there weren't a whole lot of homes for sale and people were competing for the ones that were available. So that drove up prices and drove affordability down. Now there are more homes available on the market like these here, but because it costs more to borrow money, the average household in Raleigh lost about $100,000 in buying power in the last year. Rising mortgage rates are making it harder for people to afford the home of their dreams.
Interest rates are making it a price point decision for folks.
Realtor Charles Christensen says more buyers are forced to look in a lower price range to stretch their dollars further.
Maybe last year they were looking at a $500,000 home. Maybe this year it's a $430,000 home. So it has made a difference.
Right now, the mortgage rate is the highest in almost 23 years at more than 7.6%. Here's how that breaks down if you're buying a $485,000 home with a 20% down payment. Today, your monthly mortgage is $3,244. That payment was $2,612 a year ago when the rate was 5.1%. That difference in the mortgage rate means you're paying $632 more each month now for the same home.
You're going to be making money on the investment in your real estate home now compared to somebody that's sitting on the sideline and waiting to chase that rate.
Chris Brazell is a loan officer with the Sherryriano team in Cary. He says there are some things you can do now if you're thinking about buying a home while mortgage rates are high.
Think about keeping your credit card balances low. Try to pay off those high interest rate loans that you may have out there when you start preparing to buy for a home, because that'll increase your affordability.
The falling affordability is also pushing people to look farther outside the Triangle on their hunt for a home.
I've seen people drop out, but I've also seen folks reconsider locations to move to that they had never thought of before.
Yeah, Christensen says buyers are looking further beyond areas like Johnston, Granville, Franklin counties. You can get more bang for your buck there. And we've talked so much about all these big companies like Apple that are moving here. Well, Christensen says he believes we'll continue to see a steady roll of people moving in for jobs at those companies. He does not expect a surge to come in and then cause those prices to go up even more.
You can find some great places a little farther out. Not a bad idea. Matt Talhelm, live in Raleigh. Thank you, Matt.